Hi, I'm Saurabh Kabir. I'm acting as the chairman of Shikkha Pvt Ltd and also working as the CEO of our e-learning platform Shikkha.xyz. Prior to these roles, I had worked for a reputed MNC of Bangladesh in different capacities in different districts of Bangladesh. Shikkha.xyz is a skill dev platform which we launched in the year 2022. It basically focuses on enhancing the skills of our workforce of the nation. These will equip our workforce to contribute more in the socio-economic development of the nation. Our aim in building Shikkha.xyz is to help build a smart Bangladesh by the year 2041. Currently, there are more than 25 courses in our platform and more than 5,000 students are developing their skills in our platform every day. Throughout the last 1.5 years of our journey, we always wanted to build our own tech team so that they would be aligned with our vision for our platform and they would carry this platform to a higher extent. As a skill dev platform, building a scalable solution was one of the main objectives and a great challenge for us. We figured that enabling them with the leadership and the right technical advices was essential for us in the journey. This is where Polygon Technology has come into the scene. They had helped us with the right planning and also the execution of building the scalable tech team. They recommended the right resources for the right tasks and assisted us in designing the scalable architecture for our platform. On top of that, Polygon Technology has helped us in guiding our team of engineers. Polygon Technology was always open to provide the expert opinions or advices to our teammates. The collaboration between Shikkha.xyz and Polygon Technology was an exceptional experience for us. It was probably the best decision for us in rolling out the plan. Over the time, they helped us build a solid tech team and a scalable solution. They have a very friendly work environment, and we always enjoyed the great hospitality whenever we visited Polygon Technology. Last but not the least, their technical support was superb, and we are very thankful for that.